Hi, have a good day to all of you. I am Bindu Bhaskar. I am an Art of Living teacher and I represent Art of Living Bangalore Chapter 1. This chapter have done a beginning in creating a positive impact in the society. We have been doing courses for the grown-up like Happiness Program and Nadi Parisha. And this time for this month, along with the other programs, happiness programs, we have certain programs for the children and their parents. This is happening between 23rd to 26th of this month. As we parents, our priority goes always towards their children's development. And we don't leave any stone unturned to bring them up. But there are times, whatever we say, we do, for their children behave in a different way, and that blame game starts, negative emotions start coming in. And think about a situation where children are learn to handle themselves, their emotions and their fears, and then we can see a happy child in our family that can bring in positive impact in our family. That is where Art of Living programs coming in. We have Art Excel program for the age group 8 to 13 years. And this teach certain techniques through fun games as well as through pranayam, yoga, meditation. Children are learned to handle their emotions, the techniques to calm up their mind and energize their body, certain techniques to improve their concentration, confidence, clarity in mind, and many EQ skills. Same time, ACE program is for teenagers and mainly to handle their stress, manage their negative emotions, and to bring up self-esteem and confidence in them and bring in a clarity in their thoughts. And not only this, there are programs for parents. Know your child and know your teens. Know your child is for the parents having children the age group of 0 to 13. And these parenting workshops gives you certain tips how to handle their children's emotions and certain tips to bring you a friend and guide to your children. Bring them up through value systems and certain techniques to become a best friend to your child and a good mentor for them. All these programs are taken by an internationally acclaimed teacher, Hetal Pense. It's a great opportunity to get her here. And she's an international teacher. And along with this video, I am sending you certain video clippings where the parents and the children, those who attended this program, have given their testimonials. You can go through that and you can decide. This is an opportunity to gift yourself and your kids a successful life and a smile in your face. Grab this opportunity. Thank you for watching. Good day.
Sit properly.
Mom, you will never understand me. Please leave me alone.
God, इस बार मैं टॉप नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
No, Mom, let me watch my serial, please.
Mom, मेरे लिए लाई है.
No.
मेरा है. मुझे नहीं आती मम्मा. Mom, मेरे लिए लाई है.
So many questions. Answers don't always come easy. Even if you know the answer, how to really bring it down to life is something that has never been taught.
It has changed my life.
I feel good.
Respect my teachers and parents.
And now I value the things.
रोम रोम खिल उठता है. They are feeling peaceful and they are calm now.
Their confidence is increased.
Studies have shown that the formative years play an inevitable role in children's life, and positive upbringing totally transforms their attitude towards life. The Art of Living courses have been designed to bring out the best in every student during these vulnerable years. In only a few initial days, these programs bring about a profound change in one's attitude.
Children by nature are friendly. If they are unfriendly, it is because of stress.
Art Excel, the all-round training in excellence, the art to excel in life. This workshop concentrates on the holistic development of 8 to 13-year-old children in a fun and practical way. It improves health and immunity, inculcates human values, brings clarity and focus, cultivates positive attitude towards life.
जब से मैंने ये आर्ट एक्सेल कोर्स किया है, मेरे मार्क्स फुल आए हैं and I love आर्ट एक्सेल कोर्स.
I have learned to value my time.
पहले जब मेरे को कोई भी कुछ कहता था या चिढ़ा देता था तो मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आता था, लेकिन अब मैं लाफ एंड लेट इट गो कर देता हूँ.
Art Excel program basically aims to nurture these qualities to bring out the best in our child.
I could not concentrate, but now I can.
Art of Living provides them a tool to be a role model and inculcate positive thoughts in the students.
Yes, that is Youth Empowerment and Skills Workshop. Full of fun yet challenging, this workshop provides teens in the age group of 14 to 18 years with a comprehensive toolbox to manage their emotions and stress, as well as dynamically helps them through adolescence. Communication skills, leadership skills, interpersonal skills, improved relationship with parents and teachers.
After doing yes, I take the things more positively now.
Yes, increase my ability.
I've learned to smile in every kind of situation.
I can communicate better.
My confidence level has increased.
My life has become bindas.
After yes, there was never a no.
I represented the Indian basketball team in the Children of Asia Games held at Russia, as it has helped me to improve my stamina.
Yes, rocks!
Independent research has also shown that the processes learned in yes reduce anger, violence and depression, as well as improve focus, clarity of mind and concentration.
We have seen a phenomenal change in the youth who have done this workshop.
I sent my students for the YES workshop. When they returned, there was a drastic change in them.
In these times of competition, when children are at a loss, parents are at a loss how to guide these children, this was provided by the Art of Living courses, which are now a regular feature in the school.
Education is not just transferring the textbook knowledge to the students, rather it is to give the life skills to them. And I believe these life skills are given very well by the Art of Living courses. If I have to recommend, I would say that this is a must course for all the students.
Parents act as role models in the lives of their children. Educators devote themselves by serving their students, their families, and the community at large every day. But what about the parents and educators themselves? Well, the Art of Living workshops for educators and parents is customized to the specific needs of all those shaping the young minds.
Emotional doesn't handle me, I handle my emotions.
It's blossomed into a beautiful flower. उसने पेशेंस सीखा, उसने रिस्पेक्ट देना सीखा, उसने रिस्पेक्ट लेना सीखा, उसने ट्रूथफुलनेस सीखी. I saw the amount of patience, the love she distributed to her friends.
Sudarshan Kriya, a powerful breathing technique taught during these workshops, is a potent energizer. Anxiety, depression, and lethargy are washed away and one is left calm and centered.
अंकल आप यहाँ पे बैठ जाइए.